Hey everyone, it's Ruth Ann Bowen with Wix Design Her, and welcome to this Wix website tutorial. I recently wrote a blog post on the easy homepage transform trick anyone can make. So that's what this tutorial is about today. And what is that one easy trick, you might be asking yourself? Well, all you have to do is simply keep your fonts to 2 or 3 on your website. So try and avoid the whole, "Ooh, this font looks really pretty. I think I'll use this here. Ooh, this looks really good for my body copy. I think I might use this one." You really want to stick to 2 to 3 fonts and no more. So I'm using my website as an example. So as you can see here, my title, Wix Design Her, it's actually Railway. So I've used Railway for that particular title. And then I've also used it for this title here in bold. I used Railway semi-bold, so it's in the same font family. And then for added interest, I used this particular font. It's called Saturday Rock because I really like hand scripty fonts. I don't know about you, but they're one of my favorites. So as you are designing your site, if you're looking to give it that professional polish, remember, stick to 2 or 3 fonts only, and that will help you keep your website from feeling so chaotic with a lot of different fonts that don't fit together. So remember, 2 to 3 fonts is what you want to do. That'll give you the professional polish that you're looking for. If you'd like more tips and tricks, please feel free to subscribe to my blog over at wixdesignher.com. We'd love to have you in the Wix Design Her family.